Mary and I have always anticipated this day and wanted for our Elizabeth a partner who would bring her the happiness she so richly deserves. I can't imagine a more perfect match for Elizabeth than Sean. He treats Elizabeth with love, respect, and patience.
The two of them have the exact same humor, the same values, the same interests, and most importantly, the same crippling addiction to both Chipotle and Starbucks. With all of that said, Liz and Sean are, in a word, goals. And I think I can speak for everyone here when I say how lucky and blessed we all are to have them in our lives. And I'm so happy to celebrate you guys today.
So excited to celebrate you two today and be a spectator for all the wonderful things you two have to come. So I can't wait to see the beautiful future and family you two dream up together. Here's to the Dwyers.
I, Sean, take you, Elizabeth, to be my wife.
I, Elizabeth, take you, Sean, to be my husband.
I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad,
in sickness and in health, to love you and to honor you.
all the days of my life.
All the days of my life.
It's like dreaming, impossible dreams, and then seeing them in front of me. And I know I've always been dreaming of you. It's like flying higher and higher and knowing.
When she told me that you two were watching 90 Day Fiancé together, I knew where this was headed. So Sean, you win. You've stolen her off my block, and now you're her main confidant, receiver of her hot takes and her witty banter. You're her best friend, and I love you for that.
Mary has been there for Elizabeth through a lot of ups and downs, a steady and supportive force and role model for good in her life. It's obvious that many of Elizabeth's best qualities are directly traceable to her mother. Mary, thanks for everything you've done to raise this wonderful person.
Sean's not just my big brother, but he's my mentor, my role model, my future business partner, my current TikTok partner, and above all else, my best friend. And I'm so grateful to be able to call Liz a best friend too. Now, if everyone can grab their favorite gluten-free drink and raise it up to Sean and Liz, congratulations, I love you guys.